talk with Mirco Assirelli and Giovanni Toscani from the company VEM Sistemi SPA and DZ Engineering SRL. These two companies, they use together openMAINT for the management of a very big harbor maintenance activities. The harbor is based in Ravenna, so in around central Italy. These two companies do quite different things. The first one, VEM Sistemi, Mr. Giovanni Toscani is representing the company today. They provide ITC services and solution, and the Zeta Engineering with Mr. Mirco Assirelli with us today live. Is a company designing and implementing integrated solutions for lightning, telecommunications, and audio-visual systems. We've been working with them since around 2 years now. So we started in December 2016, and as they will tell us today, they do the maintenance, the data transmissions, and on this big harbor, thanks to openMAINT. They did an inventory of all the assets they have, and then they define the rules for the maintenance, specific to scheduled maintenance. Also, they have a large use of the mobile app of openMAINT, where all the work orders are performed and recorded through tablet or cell phone. So let me see if they are online, if they can hear me and I can hear them. Hello? No, they're not. They don't seem to be. No, they don't seem to be online. Now they are. Mirco?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear both. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Okay, now the floor is all yours. This is your presentation, so I'll let you both speak.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I am Mirco Assirelli and present you our company, DZ Engineering, and share with you our work experience. The company DZ is a part of Dinosauri Group, in reality in Forlì, Italy, but with interest is a several part of the group. The group counts many different companies. The most relevant are listed here. The DZ acquired Valerio Moioli company in the year 2011, kicking off to DZ Engineering. DZ Engineering has its headquarters in Italy, Forlì, where are working 24 employees between engineering and technical, and has a branch in Singapore, where reside 4 employees. Our activity. What do we do? We are system integrator and general contractor. We rely project giving to our customer, turnkey solution, from the design to the realization, test and commissioning, assistance and maintenance. Our goal is to satisfy our customer, and one of our strong points is the customization of the products and the solution submitted as per the client messages. Know-how. The expenses of our technical allow to pace any activity among special systems and their integration. We believe in the strength of the team. It's our most important resource to find solution, reach the target. And
sorry to interrupt you. Maybe if you could just raise the volume of the microphone a little bit, because it's a bit low. Also, I'm very sorry that there is a font problem in the presentation. Maybe the tool isn't reading the fonts properly. So all these symbols shouldn't be here, but anyway, this is not an issue. Just if you could raise the volume a little bit, this would be just great.
Okay, we are trying to raise the volume.
Yeah, now it's better. Maybe Maybe just because you're speaking closer to
better now. Okay. So.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We are sorry for the inconvenience with the characters, but okay, you can hear us and trust us on what we are saying. Okay.
Thank you.
The following departments are the business area in which we are involved: motorsport, spotlight solution, energy and lighting, telecommunication, audiovisual and technologies. Our reference, portfolio and customers. I scroll.
We just lost our speakers. I don't know what happened. There was a small issue maybe with the technical issue. Are they back?
We are back. Can you
well.
see and hear us? Okay.
Yes. Very good.
Okay.
All right.
We don't know what happened, but we are here. We can go there. Okay. Go for it.
Okay. Right. Okay. For the motorsport department, the Marina Bay Street Circuit in Singapore, the first night Grand Prix in Formula One, the emblem of our mission: design installation of lighting, CCTV, PR, and telecommunication system. Formula E, power and system management for the Prix and of Putrajaya and Hong Kong circuit. Also cartwheel at the TF1 Arena at Singapore, the most technological work kart track. We designed and installed the HD CCTV system and our electronic flag system. For sport lighting department, for the Italian football stadium, we have created a unique protocol for surveys approved by the component bodies and major television broadcaster. We have provided consulting services to Stadio Neappa, San Siro in Milan, Allianz Stadium in Turin, Juventus Stadium, Mapei Stadium in Reggio Emilia, Stadio Castellani in Empoli, Stadio Dallara in Bologna and others. The example, revamping of wall lighting and electrical system at Mapei Stadium in Reggio Emilia. Not only soccer, but also ski. We design activities and aiming for the World Ski Championships at Madonna di Campiglio in Trento. For energy and lighting department, the automatic lighting system of the Mausoleum of Galla Placidia in Ravenna, one of the most representative monuments of the city and of all the Byzantine age. Castel del Monte, UNESCO heritage and icon of the medieval architecture. Sea Ponte le Basiliche, archaeological park, we engaged with the sublime lighting system, the gorgeous reproduction of the ancient cathedral made by Edoardo Persoldi. For telecommunication department, we manage and maintain the telecommunication and electrical system of Ravenna Port Authority. Pipeline Virgin Baku, engineered, supplied, installed, and commissioned a underwater CCTV system complete with LED light underwater. For Singapore F1 GP, we designed and installed a Tetra radio system able to manage over 500 portable radios and with a customized full duplex system race control room. For audiovisual technologies department, CCTV systems, race control room, and public address system are the activities carried on by the department. They're integrated with all others. This is a shot of Singapore installation. Circuit ASI of Vallelunga, where we have redesigned HD CCTV system, race control, and electronic flag system. Sepang, their activity circle on which we made the AHD system of PCCV and 2 race control room. We have R&D depth, which study and develop system for our scopes. Our company can boost 2 patents. One is the flag, a system of LED panels. The sign flags used during motorsport events. Its flexibility is for support of marshal and for the safety total control from race control, high visibility from long distance and in all the weather conditions, and the control and under field trouble. The second one is our lighting management system, Easily WEM 3000. Our system is applicable to several types of applications for a site or building, architectural installation, or industrial use. It's allowed to choose of several light modes based on the type of installation executed, customizable on request. Thanks to its flexibility, the system is versatile and can be adopted for many solutions, and is a saving control of multiple sources. Dialogue with the other protocols are only some of its features. Remote software already able to manage system by its LCD display. We are developing the app to facilitate the customer to manage and oversee the whole installation.
Okay, now just some little word about VEM Sistemi. VEM Sistemi, VEM is a group. VEM Sistemi is the first company created in this group. We are a ICT system integrator. Certego is a cybersecurity company, and MyDev is a custom development company. We are located in Italy. We are present in 6 venues. We have 32 years of experience, more than 200 employees. We are growing very fast, and in the last year we hired about 50 people. We have more than 800 customers and about 400 with managed services contract, active contract, and we have more than 1,000 personal certifications and 16,000. We spend about 16 hours of training per year. We invest a lot. We invest in R&D. We are not an engineering company as this is, but so our investment are in our instruments, our tools, our services, and in new solutions that we can offer to our customers in product scouting and so on. We work for customers. We have a good variety of customers. We work for many different market sectors, and maybe you know some of these customers. They are mainly they have mainly the headquarters in Italy. Often they have other offices, branch offices located all over the world. We provide our customers with a complete solution portfolio in these areas: network and data center infrastructure, building efficiency and controls, security and IT governance, cloud technologies. Cloud is just a marketing name. When we say cloud, we mean also server and storage systems and virtualization system, and also cloud system, okay, system based on the cloud, and the collaboration system like the one we are using today for this event. So once we install and we install a solution for our customer, we want to support our customer after the installation. This is our core business. This is how we can stay in contact with the customer day by day. We have a security operations center, a network operations center. We provide with the net services we call that are our remote monitoring and assistance services, proactive services, and cloud-based services. And just to give you a focus on our IT infrastructure monitoring tool, it's a tool that can provide customers with a lot of features that you can see here in the slide. I don't want to be boring and mention all the features we have, because I want now to focus on what we miss, what we missed one day, and what we have today. That is a property and facility management system like openMAINT. So this is the reason why we choose openMAINT, because we missed something that was really important for our customer. Who is that customer? The customer has a very huge name, Harbour Authority of the Central and Northern Adriatic Sea. Please, let's call it Port Authority, because we can't spend all the time just naming our customer. He is located in Ravenna, and the Port of Ravenna is the only. The Port of Ravenna is located, as you can see, in the middle center of Italy. Sorry, is the only port in Emilia-Romagna, and by virtue of its strategic geographical position, the Port of Ravenna is characterized as a leader in Italy for exchanges trade with the Eastern Mediterranean and Black Sea markets. Almost 40% of the national total, excluding coal and oil products, and plays an important role for exchanges with the Middle and Far East. The Harbour Authority of the Central and Northern Adriatic Sea works to direct, plan, coordinate, promote and control port operation and other commercial and industrial activities carried out in the port area. Provide for the maintenance of the SIBD and to the realization of the great port infrastructures financed by the state, by the Italian state. And the port authorities also guarantee the ordinary and extraordinary maintenance of the common parts. After a public tender assignment in the framework agreement, we offered openMAINT. openMAINT provides with tools for management, ordinary and extraordinary maintenance of lighting, electrical, electronic, and data transmission system in the Port of Ravenna. The system is up and running since 2 years for scheduled ordinary maintenance, and we are now working for developing add-on functionality. Just to name a few: work progress, accounting, and many others. Okay, let's focus now in preventive and breakdown maintenance. This is what we do every day. We just take a look to some features. Okay, maybe sometimes we mention some basic feature of openMAINT system, but we would like to explain why those features are very, very important for us and for the customer, of course. Census of all assets, both IT and non-IT, and here we are with what we were missing with our products. We are very focused on IT assets. We are able to manage and control. But what about non-IT assets? You can imagine how many non-IT assets we can have in a port, in an harbor. So openMAINT gives us the possibilities to manage, to census all assets. Relationship between assets, very simple, very beautiful. This is a key point for maintenance activity. Just think to a field engineer that needs to put his hand on a single element in a given site. This element receives power from an electrical cabin, from an electrical rack, that is far, dozens of meters far. We don't know exactly how far it is. And within dozens of meters, we could have different cabins or power sources. So direct relationship between assets speeds up any maintenance activity and provide with a full view of impacts to other assets in case of failure of a given asset. This is a very important feature for us. Okay, again, another basic feature, we can schedule and track all the activities. This is, again, very important because we are a union working for that customer, a union of companies, not only DZ and them, many other companies are working together in that union. And because different companies and different teams belonging to that company are working together, thanks to that feature, we can provide customer with a full control of what we are doing, because our customer asks for the control. Again, we can have a pre-filled checklist for ordinary maintenance. We have many technicians, many field engineers, many colleagues working on the field, and the maintenance activities are carried out by different people in different times, but we need to respect a maintenance plan. So the system, also with some customization made for us by Tecnoteca, give us the possibilities to complete the check we have to perform at every run of ordinary maintenance. Another wonderful feature for us is asset grouping per service, per site basis, on a per service and per site basis. This is very important because the port authority, the port area is huge, is a huge area, and depending on the technologies we are maintaining, we are putting hands on, maybe we need to work per technology, per site, per service provided by those technologies. So we can group assets exactly how we need, following exactly our needs in order to speed up and properly control the maintenance activities. Again, integration with the external ticketing system. We already have our ticketing system. We are an IT company. We provide with managed services. You can imagine we have our ticketing system. And in the public tender, we applied for in this environment for the Port Authority. We offered our ticketing system because we have to respect service level agreement. We have contracted with the customer. So the customer asks, okay, you have your own ticketing system and I want to use it, but you are also providing with a property and facility management tool. Please combine them together for one single view and for one shot access from for instance, from the property and facility management system directly to the proprietary ticketing system. Well, we asked Tecnoteca to implement that feature, and we have got it. So this is something that is very, very powerful for us. The integration between two different existing systems. This is not enough because Appetite comes with eating, and a customer asks for many other implementation. And now Mirco will explain again some other feature we are working on and we have already implemented for our customer.
For all the equipment subject to maintenance, an inventory was made containing all the significant items for maintenance purposes. Inventory of plant assets and related components. To implement a census of all 500 objects, the mobile application of openMAINT has been implemented with the relative GPS tracking function according to the scan of QR code present in the object label. This information can be verified by accessing the web platform or simply with the mobile application, so the QR code applied to the most significant components of the plane's NDT equipment, with the parent-child logic as a function of dependency relationship of the various related systems. The slide shows the screen with the GIS map of Porto of Ravenna, where all the plant assets are located, of NDT has been geo-referenced to have in the field or remotely the identification data and the technical register with the related data between of them. Within the openMAINT system, the economic and accounting management over all the processes that produce economic activities, ordinary and extraordinary maintenance, has been developed in order to offer the client a satisfactory reporting tool integrated with the real operational activities. The economic activities are then managed like all the plant, NDT and OMT assets present in the system, and therefore also counted and will be tracked for the scheduled maintenance cycle. This is a predefined form management of the single or many working phases. It's possible to bind the created worksheet with the estimate metric computation of project. This is an example report of a real progress of work that results from data entered by each team or people carrying out the assigned task. In order to offer the client a satisfaction reporting tool integrated with the real operational activity on site, a specific functional model will be studied in order to monitor the actual progress of economic activities based on the timing and phases of work envisaged by the Gantt project imported into openMAINT. So this functional model, the accounting progress of the order will be monitored, and a progression of the work phases will be monitored with respect to the Gantt and many other functions are in the roadmap. We hope with this example of having shown you know to use effectively the functionalities of openMAINT system and how you can create new ones together with the valid partner like Tecnoteca in order to fully meet customer needs and generate new business.
Okay, we are at the end. We would like to thank you, and we are available in case of any question.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, you both. It was really, really interesting to discover more about your companies and the use of openMAINT that you do in the harbor of Ravenna. I didn't see any questions coming, so especially because we are running a little bit late and we have other live presenters later on. I would invite all the attendants that they may have questions just to write them to us, and then we will be happy to forward them to our speakers. So on my side and on Tecnoteca side, we would really like to thank you both for sharing your case study with us all today. It's been a really great pleasure to have you on board, and I hope to talk and to see you very soon again.
Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you, Tecnoteca.